Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm just try to make my original recipe. So using gizzard. So this item is I like it because cost is very cheap and lots of vitamin. But I think this item is really difficult of cooking because the chewing texture is really hard. It's not popular to the making any kind recipe. You cannot search on website. That's why I'm just try to make by myself. So my own way making my method. So the gizzard fresh one, 500 gram right now, and ginger and garlic. So seasoning, pepper, and shirodashi. So making kind of like a deep fry. So using potato starch. Okay. So gizzard has this white part. It's very hard. That's why I just cut it off. This white part. So I think you need sharp knife. Like this. And slice, thin slice. So using 10 gram garlic and ginger. So I'm gonna make another 10 gram making garlic chips. Okay. And ginger. So you doesn't need peel off of skin because the skin has a good flavor. So you better wash, then do it together. So using skin. And mix up. So pepper, little bit strong. And shirodashi, white soy sauce. About 5 cc. Mix up. So mix up 20 gram starch. Making garlic chips. Gizzard. Whew, so hot. But easy to chew in because thin slice. I love it. So this is like a hard part of a white side. So like this. This is a white part. Don't throw it. It's good. Different texture, a little bit hard, but I like it. It's good. Some is a little hard part, but I like it. Okay, this is fried thin slice gizzard. It's so good. Wow, chewing texture is so good. Good flavor. I like it. Don't throw the white part of a gizzard. Rich chips. Kind of like a jerky. Gizzard jerky. It's good. It's good. Oh, thank you for watching my channel. See you again next time. Thank you. Have a good recipe of gizzard.